Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wanted to give your website a bit more personality by letting users see a custom color when they highlight text, something beyond that boring default blue, then you're in the right place. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to make text highlights any color you want in Webflow. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to add that unique touch to your site with just a simple little code snippet, no coding experience required. Let's get started. Now before we dive in, I've made things really easy. I've put the necessary code down in the video description below so you can just copy it straight from there. This is going to save us a ton of time, and you don't have to worry about typos or figuring out CSS syntax. Alright, so here's what to do. Head over to your Webflow project where you want this effect to show up. Now this trick works by injecting a little bit of custom code into your project. To do that, first go to the Add Elements panel, which is usually on the left side of your Webflow designer. In the search bar at the top, type in Embed, and you should see an option called Code Embed or sometimes just Embed. Click on that to select it. Once you've selected the embed element, drag it onto your page. Somewhere simple like the very top or bottom works fine. Don't stress too much about where you place it. This code runs in the background and isn't going to show up anywhere on your published site. Now open the embed element and simply paste in that code you copied from the description. This code is using some straightforward CSS to change the background color that appears whenever someone selects text anywhere on your website. By default, browsers use a kind of blue or gray highlight, but this lets you completely override it. If you want to get creative and choose your own color, just look for the part of the code that says something like background, followed by a color. You can swap that out for any color you like. For example, if you want a bright red purple, you could use background 9F1853 or just write background red if you're feeling bold. Try experimenting with different color codes to see what feels right for your brand. Once you've set your color, go ahead and click Save and Close on the embed element. That's it for the code part, you're done. Webflow has a built-in preview mode, so let's check out what we've done. Click the preview button at the top of the designer. Now just select any text on your page the way a visitor would. Notice the highlight. You'll see it's now showing your custom color instead of the usual bland blue. Pretty nice, right? Here's the cool part. This change isn't limited to just one paragraph or section. The code you added actually applies to all the text on every page that uses this style instantly. So whether it's headlines, buttons, or body copy, anytime someone drags their mouse to highlight text, they'll see your chosen highlight color. That's really all there is to it. Don't worry if the change doesn't show up right away. Sometimes you might need to publish your site or refresh the preview. And if you ever want to change the highlight color again, just go back to that embed element and swap out the color code. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. If you enjoyed this tip, don't forget to give the video a like. It really helps out the channel. If you have any questions or if you want to share what custom color you picked for your highlights, drop a comment below. And for more easy Webflow tutorials and web design tricks, make sure to subscribe so you never miss an upload. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.